What is up, guys? So as you guys know, we've been going hard trying to get our off this finished. We've learned a lot so far. We've had a great time doing it, and it's turning out to be something pretty cool. I am very, very impressed with everything so far. I mean, look at it. We've still got a lot to go. So last time we left off, we laid the drywall. We still got to mud it, lay the tape, sand it, paint it, do all that stuff, but it looks starting to look like something, and I'm really excited for it. So today starts one of the coolest pieces of the puzzle, and that is the flooring. So I've been going nuts trying to figure out what I want to do for the floor. If we should do tile, carpet, hardwood flooring, or whatever. But then I stumbled upon a company called CT Epoxy Floors, and the name says it right there. They lay epoxy floors in anything from a closet to a coliseum, and their work is beautiful, and it seems like the coolest touch to the office that I can ever think of. So we're gonna be working together, and I'm super, super, super excited for it. The guys are on their way here now. It's gonna be about a 3-day process just because some steps of it need a large curing time, so we can't really rush it. So we're gonna film a little bit each morning and put together a big video of the huge transformation of bringing this gross ass garage floor into something pretty special, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So before they show up, should probably clean up my mess. So
oh, the boys just showed up,
and it looks like we're just jumping straight into work. They didn't waste a second, they're already going in.
looks like you're going straight to work.
Yeah, we're going right to work.
No second to waste. First step to all this is we gotta get that old material off the floor. We also have to break through a thin layer of concrete just to get to a fresh layer, so we have a nice, clean surface to stick to.
Y'all's on his lunch break.
Yo, what's going on, man? What do we got going on today? Look at this. This guy's got a lot of stuff in here.
We got the CT Epoxy Floor boys out here.
It looks like they're pulling a lot of stuff up really quick.
All right, so it looks like they got all the glue off the ground, and it was kind of a pain in the ass, but they did it pretty quick. I think that was only about an hour or so.
No, that is much faster than we were doing anything.
So now it's time to sweep all this stuff up, and I'm really excited to see what it looks like underneath. And then once it's all swept up, that's when the fun starts.
Oh my god. So this is gonna be the first coat of everything, right?
First coat, yeah.
So this is gonna act as our base and our primer?
Yes. Yep.
So is that the activator?
Activator's right there, yeah.
Oh, so we gotta mix it all together. Oh, that stuff is so thick.
It's thick.
Oof.
So as you guys saw, they just laid on the base coat. This coat has a lot of room for errors because they gotta go back and sand it, almost just like primer on a car. Make that nice and smooth, and then we start laying the top coat. But so far, this looks absolutely amazing. I'm really impressed at how it was able to just kind of feel itself out pretty uniformly. I mean, it looks really good, and this is just the base coat. So, hope you guys aren't thinking I just picked some one boring color to do for the floors. No, we have a really, really cool idea that's gonna happen here. So, I'm really excited for you guys to see, but we won't find out until tomorrow because we gotta let this thing cure overnight. So, looks like we'll see him when? Tomorrow! Day 2 with the CT epoxy floor, guys, and after 24 hours, our primer coat is officially finished. It looks so good. So we can't just leave it this boring gray, so of course today is the day we finally start adding some color, and I'm really, really excited to see how it all comes out. So I can step on it.
Absolutely.
Okay. Oh god. Oh. Wow, this is really slippery.
Yeah, it's pretty slick.
This is sick.
Pretty slick.
I can't believe this is cured already. All right, so just like primer with paint or anything, we gotta prep it for some for the next layer. Gotta scuff it up to give it a nice adhesion layer for the next step. And same machine, just different pads, right?
Yep, same machine, just different pads.
All right, so that process took all of 20 minutes. Nice work, that was pretty fast.
Yeah.
So now it's straight to the fun part, huh?
Yes, sir.
So we're going straight to the clear coat, and it looks like we're gonna be changing up the color with something a little cool. So we decided what, 2 colors today?
2 colors.
2 colors today, so we're gonna swirl all together and make something pretty awesome out of it. So.
Sweet.
All right, so right now this is just plain clear coat, right?
Yes.
No color at all.
No color at all.
And then this is gonna be adding all the color. All right, this is the big part, isn't it?
Here we go.
Here we go. Oh my god. This is the cool part, isn't it?
This is the cool part.
I'm so excited for this. Alright guys, so they just threw down the 2 colors. We're doing, as you guys saw, like a darker silver, light gray, whatever you guys want to call it, and a like charcoal color. So they laid the colors down, 2 different spots, and they're now mixing it together. And after that, they're going to let it all settle, and it's going to take a really, really cool form. So there's 1.5 million different ways they could have laid it down and mixed it around. But obviously experience comes into play where they lay it down and mix it around to come out with something pretty cool. So now as they smooth it all around, get it filled out everywhere nice and even, we got to let it wait, and it's going to take on a whole new form.
It's the end thing.
What do I think? Wow. Oh my god. And so this is just gonna keep settling, huh?
Yeah.
Check this out. Look how cool this whole thing is. It's really hard because the lighting is, I can't really step in and the lighting's bad, but. So they lay this stuff on super thick, just so we can get that effect of the epoxy moving on its own and really forming its own shape and smoothing out. And I'm really, really impressed and just extremely happy on how cool this is. I hope you guys think this is badass. I'm really, really excited to see Brian's reaction on this. So when he gets off on his lunch break in a few hours, can't wait to get his reaction. Don't look at it, don't. I had to yell at you, don't. Okay, no, don't peek. All right, close your eyes. Just, all right, here, I'll guide you.
All right. Do I step on it?
No, damn, don't step on it. All right, open your eyes.
Awesome. No, this looks really good.
Don't step in.
I'm not gonna step in it.
Look how good it looks.
Yeah, this is perfect. This is exactly what I expected.
Nice. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, I like how it's like, I feel like most people that do these epoxy floors like really go crazy and like swirl the crap out of it. This kind of looks like natural marble.
Right?
This looks nice.
Oh, I'm so excited to see how it, finally cures.
Do you see the flake metallic in it? There's so much in it.
Look at the reflection.
There you go. Look at all that. Oh, that.
Man, we gotta make sure the walls come out nice.
Yeah, right? I mean, the real question is, what color do we paint the walls now? It's hard.
No, I think I got some ideas.
All right, I'll leave you to it. But I'm happy you like it.
No, it looks really good. I like it a lot.
The next day.
All right, guys, so it's been about 24 hours, maybe a little less, since they laid the colors on the floor, and now it should be fully cured, and it should be in its like final shape, so I'm really excited to see how it came out. Now, I hate it because I know the camera isn't gonna do it any justice, but I guarantee it's gonna look awesome. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can tell on camera that it looks any different, but honestly, like, it's really smoothed itself out. I mean, look at this. It looks like glass. It won't even focus on it because it's so reflective. Not bad, guys. Not bad. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. This looks really awesome. It just looks, it looks so natural. This is badass. So the floor isn't done yet. We still got one more step. Just like painting, we did our primer and base coat. Then we did our color. And now it's time for what? Our clear coat. So the guy's about to show up in a few minutes, and then we're gonna lay the clear that helps protect the surface and make sure it stays looking this beautiful for a long time to come. And I can't wait to step on it. I wanna do it right now really bad, but I'm gonna wait till they show up.
She looks good, doesn't she?
Looks good.
Can I step on it?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
I'm just dying to like, I'll be gentle. Just get a better angle of this.
There we go. That finally, this is what I wanted to see up close.
All right, time to ruin it.
Here we go.
Here we go.
It'll come back.
It'll come back. So, of course, guys, they have to scuff up this layer just so the clear coat has a nice foundation for it to adhere to.
Quick clean. All right, there's the hardener.
This is
No
it.
turning back after that.
Yeah, this is it.
So this stuff, you can't just kind of level it out like the epoxy. You actually have to brush it in like a paint.
Yes, yeah. It does have some leveling capabilities, but you gotta put it on a little tighter.
Okay. All right, so how long till I can walk on this? Because I'm dying to do it.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning? Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. And then is there like any maintenance I got to worry about? Or
No, not really. Just clean
Swifter.
Swifter?
Yeah.
Swifter.
There we go.
it. Yeah.
Spot mop.
You guys
Skateboards.
did amazing.
Thank you.
You guys
Thank you
are
very
really,
much.
really amazing.
you.
I'm really impressed.
Yeah.
Huh. Skateboardable?
Yeah.
I'm gonna bust ass
Put
in
the
there.
go-kart in there.
All right, the first thing I'll do is I'll kick flip in there for you guys. All right.
All right, guys, so it's been a few hours, and the final clear coat is really settling out, and this should really be the final product right here. And like I've said a million times, I'm just so impressed with this. It's really, really, really cool touch to the shop. Brings a lot of character to it. I mean, you don't see this stuff every day, and it's badass that it's like, it's super cool that this is like a one-off piece. You know, like no one else has this. This is all me right here. So I can't thank the guys enough down at CT Epoxy Floor Systems. They really, really outdone it. They were awesome guys, super professional, and just they knew what they were doing, and it shows. This is awesome. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of their work, I'm gonna put their Instagram and their Facebook below. They have a bunch of photos of some really cool stuff that they've done. And like I said, they'll do anything from a closet to a whole warehouse. And so check it out, tell them I sent you. And if you guys are interested in getting something pretty cool like this, hit them up. So I'm so pumped about this. Now, huge step forward in the office, and now all we have to do is finish the drywall, paint her up, and we got one badass spot. So we're gonna end it here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, got a little taste of some art and some great progress on the Loftus. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and have a good night.